A traffic stop in Halifax County over a truck modification quickly turned into an arrest that's going viral. The driver claims that he just wanted proof that his vehicle was in violation, but instead he ended up in handcuffs.
ABC 13's Sarah Weitzman breaks down what happened and what state police are now saying.
Jamar Thaxton was driving on Archie Lane on Saturday when a Virginia state trooper pulled him over. And ended with this arrest caught on video.
Hey, for what? For what?
Ooh, here we go. Here we go. That's what we want. That's what we want right there. I got it, baby. I got it, baby.
You see that, right?
I got it.
You're on the ground. Come on, on the ground.
Thaxton says it all started when the trooper claimed he did not have a front license plate.
And I told him that I did. He goes look at the tag and comes back, and he said, well, your truck is squatted.
He says he then measured his car but would not show him the results. That's when he turned to his girlfriend, Brittany Gardner, sitting in the passenger seat and told her to hit record.
Watch a lot of TikTok, see all this stuff happen. I'm like, any police encounter that we come in, especially with him being a black male, I record.
In Virginia, squatted trucks are illegal if the height difference between the front and the back exceeds 4 inches. I asked Thaxton to show me how the officer measured it. So can you show us really quickly how he did it? Alrighty, so you can't count that black part,
Yeah,
right?
he said you can't count the black part.
So that's even like 22
inches.
The back measured about 17 inches, a 5-inch drop, and over the legal limit. Thaxton admits when he found out his car might be towed, he got heated, but never got an explanation.
If it's not right, you show me on the tape measure, I can add air to it, and I can pump it up where it would be right, but he refused to show me anything.
State police say the Facebook video only shows a fraction of the full stop. I have asked them to share the full body cam footage, but have not heard back. They claim Thaxton was confrontational the entire time and refused to turn off and stay in his vehicle. They say after continuously refusing to follow instructions, they handcuffed him and charged him with obstruction of justice, altered suspension, no valid state inspection sticker, and having improper exhaust. In Halifax County, Sarah Weitzman, ABC 13 News.
We have also reached out to state police to request the body camera footage of this arrest as well. Now, the Halifax County Sheriff also says that the video only shows a portion of the traffic stop, saying, quote, I have personally spoken to the individual involved, the deputy, and Virginia State Police. To read his full statement, head to WSET.com.